In this video, we will solve questions of R.S. Agrawal, exercise 1C. The first question is, what are irrational numbers? How do they differ from rational numbers? And give example. Every non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansions are called irrational numbers. So this definition we have already read. Okay, so I'm just going to take one example. If I took suppose 0.010010001, in this way digits are repeating, but every time the patterns are different. I am going to write about rational number. So what are rational numbers? So you will write every non-terminating and repeating or recurring decimal expansions are called rational numbers. Let's take one example. Okay, suppose if I told 0.666 ... You can see here this is what non-terminating, okay, and the same digit is repeating. So I can write it in the bar form also, 0.6 bar, but this cannot be written in the bar form. Okay, that's why this is non-terminating and non-repeating, and here this is non-terminating and repeating. In this question you have to classify the following numbers as rational or irrational numbers. You are given some numbers and you have to classify which one is rational and which one is irrational. First one, in under root you are given 3/81. So I will first simplify it. How would I do it? Can I write it √3/√81? Because I told you that, as you know, if we have in under root we have a/b, so I can separately write it like this. Okay, if we have √a/√b, so I can write in this way also, a/b. So I just did the same thing. After that you will see this 3 is non-perfect square number, so I can't find the square root of this, but I can find the square root of 81. So this is what? 9. Okay, √3 is irrational number and this 9 is rational number. And I told you one property, the quotient of rational number and irrational number is an irrational number. So this is what? The resultant is an irrational number. So this is an irrational number. So now second one, this is under root 361. First you will try to see whether this 361 is the perfect square. Yes, this is the perfect square. 19, so I can write 19 into 19. So now this will come out. Now this root will be over. So we will have 19, and 19 is what? 19 is a rational number. Therefore this is a rational number. Now let's see third one. √21. You can see 21 is not a perfect square. Therefore this is an irrational number. Fourth one is √1.44. You have to see whether this is a perfect square number or not. You can write it, as you know, 144. This is a perfect square number of 12. So there is a point, so I can write 1.2 into 1.2. So this can come out of this root, so this will be 1.2. So this is 1.2 is what? This is a terminating decimal. This is a terminating decimal, and you know every terminating decimal is a rational number. this is a rational number. Okay. Question number 8. You can see question number 8. This is written 1.23, this is 8th one, 1.23, 23, 23 and 23. You can see here, first dot dot is there, it means that this is non-terminating. Now 23, 23, 23, 23, this I can write using bar. So I can write it in this form. Okay. So we have read this is non-terminating and repeating decimal. This is non-terminating and repeating, and you know every non-terminating and repeating decimal expansions are rational number. So this is what? This is a rational number. This is a rational number. Okay. Now 9th one, 3.04004 0004. Now this one you can see here, again you can see here patterns are changing as we are moving towards right side, patterns are different. See 10 then 4, 20 then 4, 30 then 4, means I can't use bar here. That's why this is what? This is non-terminating and non-repeating. So it is an irrational, this is an irrational number. Okay. Now I am solving 10th one. Two 2.3565656. You can see here again dot dot is there. It means that this is non-terminating. Okay. Now we have to see this is repeating or non-repeating. You can see here 2.3, after 3 this 5 6 5 6 and 5 6, it is repeating. So I can write it, I will use bar above 5 6. So it is what? This is non-terminating first, this is non-terminating and repeating, because 5 6 is repeating, and you know non-terminating and repeating decimal expansions are rational number. So this is a rational number. 7th one, 6.834834. Now you see this is again dot dot is there, it means that this is non-terminating. Now you have to check whether it is repeating or non-repeating. See after decimal this 834 and 834, 3 digits are repeating. So I can write it bar above 3 digits. So this is what? This is non-terminating because dot dot is there and repeating. This is non-terminating and repeating, therefore this is a rational number. Okay. So this was question number 2.